Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Rainbow Six Siege X not launching, or it just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar. From here, go ahead and type in Device Manager. Once the Device Manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now once that is done updating, that is one way of updating your drivers. The second method is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly, if you have it installed, going over to drivers, looking for GeForce Game Ready driver and hitting download. Go ahead and just download it. Now if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD app, or what you can do is go ahead and manually install it from a browser of your choice. Now once you do the updating drivers method, the second part you got, or the second solution, is by going into your settings in the game. Let's just say the game does launch but it crashes after a while. In order to prevent that, what you can try doing is by lowering your graphic settings, because it's possible that your PC is not able to handle the highest settings possible, or just high settings in general. So go ahead and just turn everything down to medium or low. Now once you do that, you guys should be good to go. I also recommend restarting your PC, and once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.